How far Cryptopidginanalyst? You don't say you go explain wetin Bitcoin dey about. Tell us wetin this Bitcoin dey all about now.
What's up my people, how una dey? Like I talk earlier, I thought say na here be the channel wey una go dey understand wetin cryptocurrency mean in pidgin language. We go dey give una the ogbonge news and every update about cryptocurrency in pidgin language. My guy ask me wetin be Bitcoin. Bitcoin na the first cryptocurrency, the oga patapata of all crypto for the world, invented by one man called Satoshi Nakamoto. Who be Satoshi Nakamoto? We no know. Satoshi, we no know, maybe motor don knack am or e don knack motor, but the thing wey we dey after be say why dem create Bitcoin. Dem create Bitcoin to give us value the same way our currency give us value, and make it dey easy for us to use, so that we go fit spend Bitcoin the way we take dey spend money. The same way you fit compare your dollar to pounds, your dollar to naira, na so you fit compare Bitcoin to dollar, Bitcoin to naira. And every currency get your own value, na so Bitcoin too get your own value. And wetin dem fit use Bitcoin for? Bitcoin, we talk say dem fit use am in form of money. Na the koko be that. This Bitcoin of a thing, you fit use am buy anything online, you fit use am do anything. The same way you take dey spend your money, na so you fit spend Bitcoin too. My guy, I hope say you don dey understand.
I dey get you, I dey feel you, I dey jot things down.
Thank you. Na so you fit do am. Even some countries sef don legalize am as their own personal money wey dem fit dey spend. Wey be say time go reach wey be say you go dey use Bitcoin pay for your flight. You go dey use Bitcoin do anything for the world. And again, Bitcoin, e no get limit. You fit spend am anyhow. You fit send am and e dey easy, e dey fast to use. Shey you understand? But for your currency, bank fit tell you say your limit na 5 million, your limit na 100k, your limit na 10 million. But Bitcoin no be like that. You fit send 10 billion, you fit send 100 million. Yes. Na so Bitcoin be. But no be only Bitcoin dey. We still have thousands of cryptocurrency wey we know as alternative coin. But more na no worry, I go give na the update. More na just dey follow, share, like, share with your family, tell them to join. But more na see, hunger dey wire investor. How they come? Ma go chop first.
And for analyst, you never finish video, don't go dey chop. Analyst, we never finish analyst.